Nothing can beat a freshly toasted cheese sandwich as a day starter. Nobody wants to go through the effort of going out to a restaurant when it's easy to make comfortably at home. Stuffed sandwiches are easy to make with the smart home appliances that can help in grilling, toasting, and heating your sandwiches without any manual intervention. All you need to do is prepare the sandwich with your favorite vegetables, spread, cheese, and put it in the sandwich toaster, and all this would be impossible to attain without the best sandwich toaster on your kitchen corner. In today's video, we have rounded up the best 5 sandwich makers for you so that you can enjoy perfectly made sandwiches at home. So without further ado, let's get started.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
Do you want a device that not only serves its purpose as a sandwich maker but also can grill your foods effortlessly? Then look no further, because the Chefman electric Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker is here to fulfill your requirements. It comes with a floating hinge and lay-flat surface that can accommodate thick paninis with ease, while the ability to open it up completely allows you to use this sandwich maker as a 2-large cookie plate. Without requiring any cooking spray, you can easily grill items like burgers, steaks, veggies, and anything else you're craving for within a short time with its 180-degree heat, while the ability to make sandwiches with just a push of a button makes it an ideal choice for anyone. It comes with a non-stick coated grill plate and removable drip tray, enabling you to clean it without breaking a sweat, while the compact size of this item makes it ideal for small kitchen spaces, dorm rooms, and offices. So you can enjoy a quick sandwich or grill anytime, anywhere. With a combination of griller and sandwich maker, the Chefman electric Panini Press Grill and Gourmet Sandwich Maker is a compact gadget that can accompany you anywhere. Introducing the Cuisinart Dual Sandwich Non-Stick Electric Grill, a fantastic cooking tool that is filled with a lot of modern technology while being constructed in a compact and durable design. You can grill 2 sandwiches simultaneously with this sandwich maker, while the lockdown lid positions plates evenly grill both sides of the sandwiches. You can also grill omelets, fishes, French toasts, and many more with the Cuisinart non-stick electric grill, while the red and green indicator indicates if the cooking process is done or not. Weighing around 3 pounds, this item is made from stainless steel, giving it a sturdy and rugged body, so you can take it to any outdoor or office party without worrying a bit. Wiping and cleaning are now more easy with its non-stick baking plates, so after a food feast, you can easily wipe and clean it without breaking a sweat. If you are searching for a non-stick electric grill that can grill 2 sandwiches at once while being very sturdy and portable, then the Cuisinart Dual Sandwich Non-Stick Electric Grill can be your go-to option. Put away your frying pan and make a hot sandwich the easy way with the Proctor Silex sandwich toaster, omelette, and turnover maker that can completely change your cooking experience. It can heat up in a minute or even less, which helps to save your time and trouble if you're in a hurry, allowing you to enjoy a warm and tasty sandwich any moment. You can also cook meals like omelettes, French toast, and desserts. It comes with a classic grid design on the plates that help to make your toasted sandwiches look especially chic and appetizing, while the drip tray prevents grease or oil from flooding back into your food. The Proctor Silex sandwich maker is compact in size and can be stored upright, taking up minimal cabinet space, while the cleaning process is very effortless too, thanks to its non-stick surface. Turn a lunchtime staple into something special by making it warm and toasty with the Proctor Silex sandwich toaster, omelette, and turnover maker, a great kitchen appliance that lets you grill sandwiches, omelettes, French toast, and desserts with great efficiency. If you thought that a panini press was just for making paninis, it's time to rethink. The Hamilton Beach electric panini press grill is designed to be a convenient and essential kitchen companion. This panini maker offers a lot, allowing you to make sandwiches, quesadillas, and many more. So enjoy your favorite food without any hassle. It features a floating lid that evenly presses any size sandwich, and you will be able to create up to 3 full sandwiches at the same time for optimum convenience. It comes with non-stick panini press grids that will provide you with a perfect brown, warm, and crispy sandwich every time. For best cooking results, you need to preheat the sandwich maker for 6 minutes, and the indicator light will provide you with an alert if your cooking process is complete or not. The Hamilton Beach electric panini press grill is your perfect companion that can make delicious sandwiches, omelets, and more with ease, so you can enjoy a perfect meal anytime. Make your breakfast more enjoyable with delicious sandwiches every morning. Meet the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker, a wonderful kitchen gadget that can provide you the best service you can ask. This breakfast maker will completely customize your sandwich with your choice of bread, cheese, eggs, meats, and much more, so that you can enjoy fresh and customized breakfast sandwiches every morning. The versatile design of this model makes it compatible with a wide range of ingredients that allow you to explore more recipes to get rid of the same boring breakfast. This breakfast sandwich maker comes with a built-in audible indicator that will notify you when the sandwich is ready, so enjoy your sandwich without burning. Prepare your breakfast sandwich just in 4 steps with this sandwich maker, allowing you to have your breakfast on the go. The cleaning process of this sandwich maker became very easy because all removable parts are dishwasher safe and the surfaces are non-sticky. So if you want to buy a great sandwich maker, then we recommend you to consider the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. So that was all about the best 5 sandwich maker. Thank you for watching our video. Like, comment, and share if you find the video helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.